I started this channel as a way to kind of educate people on the various things that I've been through, my journey through Kota, then IIT, and all the things that I've learned because I had nobody to teach me those things. So if no one has taught me those things, then maybe I can educate people about them. But not everything works out the way you want, right? Because the last time I uploaded a video was around 8 months ago, and since the 8 months I haven't been able to upload any videos of any sort whatsoever. There are various reasons behind it, but the main reason it has been because I was moving towards the next part of my life, the next journey, you can say, which was my master's in the US. I am currently in the Pennsylvania State University doing my master's in electrical engineering. And during this process, the entire thing from getting the visa dates to getting a visa appointment, going through the appointment, booking tickets, packing, just doing everything took so long. And even after coming here, getting through things, getting through courses, knowing to get everyone, getting a good apartment, all these things take a lot of time. And this is what probably kind of distracted me from making the videos. Uh, but again, you have to do kind of a trade-off when you are doing things. I had to trade off making videos for concentrating more on the first part of at least this journey, because the start of a journey is pretty important, right? If the start itself is not smooth, then the rest of the journey, it might be better, but you never know. It At least the start should be good. So I wanted to mostly take some time off, work towards my masters, work towards knowing things, work towards studying the courses here, how to deal with them. And I think it paid off. Uh, I think taking that time off really helped me to, get to know things, the way education systems are different here, how to adapt according to them. And yeah, I think by now I am pretty well versed with the things around here. And I think that I am pretty confident with what I am about to do later on from now. I think I'm pretty confident about the journey that I'm going to make after this. And so I think I can start making videos again. Now I don't know what kind of videos I'll make. Maybe I can just continue with the entire IIT and quota thing, or maybe I can just expand into how I came to the US, how I applied, my entire process, what problems did I go into, how it is here at Penn State, what what were my experiences. Those kind of things I can definitely go into, or just maybe daily vlogs. How is the life how is life here, how are the people here. So that's why I decided to make this life update, hopefully 1.0. 1.0 because I hope to make many more of these life updates, hope to continue making videos, and I hope to be more consistent. Right now, I'm in my apartment at the Penn State University in State College, which is the main campus of Penn State. They have around 22 campuses, I think. This is the main and the biggest one. I have three roommates, all of them Indian, all of them first year. And it took some time to figure out things, figure out the balance between each of those, figure out the banter, who does what, who does what well. If one is not available, then what can the others do, how to adapt according to that. That takes time, and that probably contributed to me not making videos. I think uh, it's quite important to take some time off. Things like this, situations like this, you have to concentrate on what is the most important. Other things can wait. That's why now that I have done all these things, now that I'm all set up, maybe I can start making videos again. Maybe I can be more consistent. If not twice a week, maybe once a week would be fine as well. And maybe I can interact more. Even if no one watches these videos, this might be a way to record my own life at Penn State. 2 3 years later, when I look back and I want to relive all those moments at Penn State, I can just look at my videos. I can look at all the things that I used to do, all the maybe the mistakes that I made, what I learned from them. And that's probably why I'm making this video. Uh, I don't have any proper ideas or a structure as to what I want to make. Maybe if any of you are watching this, you can tell me as to what can I make. Uh, it could be just like telling about what, it could be advisory videos as to what advice I, as to what kind of advice I have towards if you want to go towards higher studies. What my experience was during the visa interviews and the entire thing. What's my experience over here? What can you look out for? Those kind of things on more or less on that area. But as an update, life at Penn State is really good. Actually, I'm pretty enjoying the environment. I'm pretty enjoying the weather as well. It's -4 degrees outside right now, but our apartment has a central heating system, so that's why we don't feel anything inside here. But I have enjoyed the teachings here. I've enjoyed the professors. I have learned more than I could ever know, and we have had a lot of fun. We have friends come over, and we do all kind of stuff. The Penn State campus is extremely beautiful and extremely vast. You can't ever. It will take you a lot of time to explore the entire thing in its entirety, and there are a lot of different spots to explore. I also bought a couple of things when I came here. I bought like AirPods, this iPhone that I'm recording on. This is an iPad Pro with the Apple Pencil that I use to take notes. It really replaces paper because I don't use paper anymore. Even for assignments or notes or anything, I just use the iPad and I make notes on that. And pretty much a lot of things actually. If you look there, there are a few T-shirts that are on the wall. That actually I do part-time job at a residential dining, so that's the T-shirt for that. I dress up in that uniform and go there. So the part-time job is to kind of to supplement my expenses while while I'm here. Even the part-time job I joined late, not immediately when I came to Penn State, because again I wanted to settle in. I wanted to do better at my academics while I was new at them. And about like 3 months in, while I was pretty good, I had gotten used to the entire system. That's when I decided to jump in and work at a residential dining. It's pretty fun actually. Sometimes it gets a bit weary, but that's fine. That's okay. I have great flatmates. One of them is from Mumbai. One of them is Marathi. One of them is Gujarati. One of them is from Madhya Pradesh, and we have a pretty good banter. We have a pretty good knowledge of what we like and don't like, what should be done, what should not be done. And we have our own friends from our batches, but we have a lot of fun while we are each around also. Maybe we can have a special dinner, or maybe we'll be watching a movie or something like that, just something here and there. It's pretty important to find people who you can depend on while you are anywhere away from home, even if you are in the same country or in a different part of the world, because your parents are not gonna come, or your siblings are not gonna come running from you unless they're in the same country as you are in. So it's pretty important to find people you can depend on, and these guys are perfectly according to that. I have other friends as well, but if I have any problem, I can just call them or text them, and they'll respond almost immediately. They'll tell me what, if they have a problem, then they'll text me. The place that I live at is called Allied State College. It's a property that has a lot of apartments for students. There are only students around me, although most of them have gone home now for the holidays. I'm not going anywhere because of my own personal reasons. But yeah, that gives me a chance to make more videos. And as a whole, I think that my experience at State College is pretty good. I think, of course, there are much more things to come. There are much more. I still have a year and a half to go. There's a lot of things to explore, but I think I'll be showing you around the campus in the coming few weeks. I'll be showing you some photographs, and that's probably it for the life update. I hope it's a 1.0, so that I can be making more life updates as time goes on, and I do new things and I get to experience new things. So that's it from me for now, and see you later.